Hi, today Karen is with me in the studio. Karen naturally has very beautiful dark brown hair with a slight reddish tinge. Of all the Refectocil colors, chestnut is an ideal fit to her type. However, her eyebrows are very dark and seem too cool. With just a simple tinting, it isn't possible to make much of a color difference. Here I have a very simple solution. If the initial hair is too dark for the color you want, you can lighten it up with Blonde Brow. After a 5-minute application time, we can see the result. Now, I'm tinting them with the desired color. For Karen, it is chestnut. Attention! After lightening the hair, the skin takes on the color very quickly. So I recommend, if you're still new to the process, that you keep removing the color from the skin during application again and again. For a perfect finish, I put Refectocil Long Lash Gel on her eyebrows. With Karen as an example, you can see what a big difference it makes when you adjust the eyebrows to match the hair color. The full effect appears much softer. A small tip from me: if you see some spots of color on your skin and they're not desired, you can easily remove them with a Refectocil tint remover.